Welcome back to the channel. Do you like my hair? I love how this wig, yes you guys, this is a wig. This is a wig that I created or did for someone. It was supposed to be for someone, but ultimately the person didn't want the wig. So luckily that, they didn't want the wig. So now I can show you guys how I put on my wigs from start to finish. Like I said, I did create this wig about a year ago. I have never put it on, and I'm going to put it on. I'm going to show you how I cut the lace and everything and just put on the wig. So I really do hope you guys enjoy this type of video. Please go right ahead and like and comment. Go right ahead and comment down below, how do you guys think I did in this video? This is still a learning progress. I am still learning how to put on my wigs, and I feel like the more practice I get, the better I get. This actually turned out so well. I am going to show you at the end of the video some ways that you can style it. So thank you so much, and let's get right into the video.
Hey guys, right now I just want to give you the specs of the wig. Like I said in the previous clip, I created this wig a year ago. I thought I can possibly sell it one day, but it's been over a year. No one bought it, so I might as well do a video for you guys. So I guess it's a win-win. It is a full lace unit, and I did the knotless method instead of box braids. So this is a knotless full lace wig that I did myself. I don't have a video of how I did it, but I do have a video of how I did a similar wig, knotless. I will try and link that video down below if you're interested as to how I created the wig. Right now I'm just showing you how I am removing the extra lace. I don't know about anyone else, but for me, it's easier for when the lace is not on or the extra lace is on. It's easier for me to put the wig on without the extra lace. And that way, when I am putting the adhesive, whatever glue I choose to use, it's easier for me to see like where everything goes. So as you saw, I think it looks pretty good. The lace is a little bit too dark for me, but you know what? We're just going to make it work. I am using white chalk to basically outline where I want my adhesive to go. So in other words, the chalk is basically going to let me know to not pass this point. It's easier for me to have less than too much, because I don't want to have to go back and clean off everything. Like, that's too much of a hassle. I don't feel like going through that. So instead of using alcohol, I am using witch hazel just to slightly clean off the area that I'm planning on putting the adhesive. And as soon as I'm done using the witch hazel, I'm going to go right ahead and put some skin protectant just to protect my skin. And also this particular heat protectant by Bold Hold is really good if you sweat. It helps the wig stay longer. And I noticed that it really doesn't matter which adhesive you use, just as long as you use a good skin protectant, it's all the same. I am using popsicle sticks to help give me like a really thin layer. I do end up doing 3 layers. I don't show you all 3 layers. I'm just going to show you one. But I did ended up doing 3 layers of the adhesive. But I make sure before I add the next layer that it is completely clear. So in order for it to be completely clear, I make sure that the layer is extremely thin. And I notice when I do use a popsicle stick, I tend to get the thinnest layer, and it helps. Like, if it works for you, it works for you. You know, if it ain't broke, why fix it? So this is what works for me. So as soon as I'm done with all 3 layers, I get some more witch hazel. I get a Q-tip, and I just make sure I clean off all the chalk dots that I did on my forehead to outline where I want the adhesive to go. I make sure I remove that before I lay down my lace, and I make sure that I line up where the lace begins to where I placed my adhesive. So you want to definitely have a mirror, definitely take your time. Do not press down your lace until everything is lined up. So as soon as everything was lined up and I felt comfortable and I liked everything, I went right ahead, I pressed it down, and then I used my little comb and I went in between the braids to make sure that everything was tacked down, and it turned out great. So at this point, I'm going to go right ahead and remove the 2 little braids that I put. And then, what am I going to do? Oh, after that, I'm going to kind of like judge if anything needs to be plucked off or like tweezed off. I'm talking about plucked off. Anything that needs to be tweezed off. If it's a little too full in certain areas, I'm gonna go right ahead and tweeze it off. But as you saw, I did tie down, I did try to melt the lace for about 10 to 15 minutes. So as soon as I took it off, now I'm about to start tweezing certain areas just to thin it out a little bit. And as soon as I thin it out to my liking, I'm gonna go right ahead and work on these baby hairs. Like, some people at this point will probably get like a flat iron and like kind of like curl the baby hair. Listen here, as short as these baby hairs were, I am not getting no flat iron close to my forehead. I am not gonna have no burnt forehead. I'm not gonna burn myself in the process. So the mousse, the foaming lotion, is just gonna have to do what it do. And it did what it did. Like, it came out and it showed out, and my baby hairs is looking right. So I went right ahead and tied that down one more time, just, you know, just to basically melt my baby hairs and make sure it's looking right. And then I went back and I combed it out just to loosen it up a little bit so it's not so tight. At this point, I am, you know, showing you guys how I style my hair, different styles of what I would normally do to my hair. And, you know, I just hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
would like to thank every last one of you that got to the end of this video. I just want to tell you guys how much I appreciate all of my old subscribers, all of my new subscribers. I want to tell you guys thank you so much. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video and you hopefully learned something, you know, how to put on a wig, which is awesome. Go right ahead and comment down below the type of videos that you guys would like to see from me. I love people that can interact. Go ahead and comment down below. Interact with me, talk with me, let me know things that you like, things that you don't like. And I'm okay with it. You know, everyone has their own opinion and I'm cool with that because I know I got my own opinion myself. So I really do hope you like how everything turned out. And I am so grateful for the person that didn't want this wig, even though I worked hard. I worked hard on this wig and you didn't want it, but that's okay. I appreciate you. I appreciate you for that. Because now your girl is looking good. Your girl is looking fly. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video.